Here. Okay, we're alive. Had to. I was thinking, like, why is the buzz bullish here? Kinda had something wrong. Hey, let me. I'm back. I'm back. You're back. Everybody's back. Had my bias wrong. If it's wrong for to be mad. What? No, don't come here. Don't come here, bro. Leave me alone. Be fine. Come here. They're right here. Hey, don't make too much trouble. Don't make too much trouble. Hey, hey, I say don't make too much trouble, man. You're making trouble out here. What the fuck, man? Hey, you gotta go, man. I gotta do my work, man. I gotta go make some money, man. Shit. You know my whole thing, man. What you doing, man? Leave. Gotta leave. Gotta leave. Go, go, go. Go your way, man. Oh, bro, don't come here, man. What, man? Guys, by my leg, bro. Hey, stop doing that, bro. Get out of here, man. You don't kiss my leg, bro. You gay, bro. Out of here. Out of here. Yeah, peasant, man. Sure, man. Go, man. Go, bro. Stop bullying me, man. Let's get my boy Truck Driving Gamer. Bro, get out of here, bro. Go, 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 go. Little ass cat, man. It's not leaving me, man. Oh, don't mess that up, bro. What you doing? All right. So recently, I had my whole bias wrong for this past couple of days. This week, actually, not the past couple of days. This week, my bias was kind of stuck in, right? Because we're in a CRT, so this fair value gap wouldn't matter. The reason wouldn't matter if you go back in time, right? Go back in time somewhere around here when the market took out this fair value gap, right over here, right? ERL, we're going back to IRL, right? So, bro, stop, bro. Scat, man. When the market took out this ERL, right, we were in a CRT, right? Eventually, market. Oh, fuck. How did you get over here? Out of here. Go. Go. What's up? Coming, bro. Go. Go with somebody else, bro. Stop bothering me, man. What did I do to you? Well, just really crawled up all the way up to my thing. Oh, that's not a perfect example, but I can give you guys another example here. No, 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 no. Are you getting mad? Get out of here, bro. Wait, wait. And don't look at me. What's good, gang? Took some nice buys today. Yeah, bro. I see it today too, bro. I see it from London session, bro. Right over there. That buy from London session was crazy good. But I'm gonna go my trade today. I'm gonna hold it over all the way till this high right over here. Final take profit. And as well, it's the range high as well. So holy shit, this cat, bro. Move, bro. What you doing, bro? You gotta go, bro. You gotta go. Go with your bitch ass. Truly evil person. As the cat was bothering me, I took the cat to somebody else while they were sleeping. Somebody has to feel the pain. Somebody else gotta pet the cat. Somebody else gotta feel it. But the reason I'm bullish, the reason why I'm bullish on this day, because there's a take any saps today. I probably will, bro. I'm looking for a near continuation. Let's see if I will get any setups, bro. Let's see if we're gonna dodge a stab or not, man. But the reason I'm bullish is because this huge CRT, and this goes against the higher time frame. But if you go to this Ferrari gap right over here, I can show you guys more example of this. What I mean by this concept right over here. That's not a perfect example, but let me see if I got another. Let me see if I got a perfect example here. I mean, it could be this as well right over here. This could be another example of a ERL to IRL, right? ERL right over here to IRL, this fair value gap. But there was a CRT, right? So your drawn liquidity will be right over here to the CRT. So because it's more dominant, right? It's a better concept, right? So yeah, because a CRT is not a it's not a counter range. It's as well as an MMXM, right? That's what to keep in mind. If you go to the if you go to the hourly time frame during that Pacific time, you could find out that there was a MMXM, right? You see original consolidation, right? Our original consolidation number one. I think number two, another consolidation around here. So you can see consolidation around here. So that basically makes it a MXM. Doesn't make it a actual real defined MXM, but CRT is it's considered to be MXM as well. I don't even know, bro. You can see right over there. There was a range candle over there as well. There was range number one. Eventually, range number two. So once you get it from the trade, you take profit from range number one low, and range number two low, right? The accumulation phases of the MXM. So yeah, like that. And that's why I'm looking for bullishness, right? Because if you go to the hourly time frame on this, original consolidation, accumulation number one, accumulation number two, and eventually the low, right? So we're going to accumulation number one, accumulation number two, and then the last one right over here. So it basically makes sense for us to do that, right? Even on this too, original consolidation number one, and another one number two. Eventually, I think this is number two right over here. It's kind of hard for me to do that because I'm not an MMSM trader, but you get what I mean, chat. Now let's go back to the weekly. We can scroll down to the weekly downside. And as well, we could go to this candle of the weekly candle because we have a SMT here. Yeah, we have a SMT with a correlated pair, which is that low, that high. Okay, we have a SMT, so this is another like a support that smart money is in play on this fucking play. Right. Yeah, I gotta put that right now. So right over there, boom, correlated pair SMT. All right, let's do a high time bias here. Our weekly bias is weekly IRL to ERL, right? Our weekly time frame is IR to ERL, weekly CR to the downside. But there's a SMT with the correlated pair. You can see it here, SMT with the correlated pair. So that is preventing from this low to get purged. I eventually do want to see this low get purged, but I do want to see a push up around here eventually from here on in. Then look for another low back to then eventually look for a low to get purged back down. As you can see, we do have this weekly series to the downside as well. So I'm looking for another retracement back to the upside, but eventually that would cause a move to the downside. Because as of right now, what I'm looking at, we're looking to go over here from here on in. Eventually, we got another huge CRT back to the downside. We use a CRT back to the downside. So right when I see a daily CRT being there and the CRT is established, meaning it's already there, right? And it's it's the order block is already there and it looks like it's getting respected. I'm looking to use that CRT to the downside to go to the downside because this right here would be considered a counter trend, right? So yeah, on the daily, we're taking a counter to the upside. We're going from a daily ERL to there's no IRL here, right? So daily ERL, eventually this IRL, but this IRL is gonna get disrespected because we're going for the CRT, right? So we got a daily CRT to the upside, a daily weekly SMT that's holding right now because there's SMT has a reason to hold, right? Because there's a monthly fair value gap inside the SMT. But later on, once this monthly 3 month candle ends, right, the next 4 days, I wanted to go back down there, which should be a plan for us to do. Which now that will make the market harder to read, but should get through it like that, right? We should be chilling. So yeah, and that's that. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame here. Silly daily, right? So daily IRL to ERL. So daily we don't got nothing else but this daily CRT to the upside. There's another daily CRT to the upside as well. So my goal for today is gonna be here. CRT now over there. And I want to see how pricing goes next week as well. So the other thing we have on a daily time frame, we have this daily classic expansion week profile 1, Tuesday low of the week, and Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday continue to move to the upside. Right over here, you can see Tuesday low of the week, and we have a Tuesday. Then we can see the Monday is a CRT. So we're looking to go over here, right? So we have a Monday CRT as well. And I'm looking like it looks like I want to see this for value get respected, right? This CRT right over here, you can see right over here. If that could get respected, it would be fantastic because that would be considered CRT that could push the price back to the downside. Yeah, and I haven't seen any SMT. I have not seen any CRT has been respected yet. So I don't know if I don't know if we're gonna go down to the downside because weekly it's to the downside, right? Weekly CRT to the downside as well. So yeah, keep that in mind. Today we're just taking a counter trend because we have a narrative to the upside. We built up a narrative to the upside. Yesterday my bias was wrong, but guess so we're still safe because yesterday time saved us, right? And as well as that, and today we have a narrative to the upside right now. We have built up a narrative, so we have a CRT to the upside, we have a SMT to the upside with GU, and our goal is to go to the other one. So we have another SMT right over here in the lower time frame, the other daily time frame, right? Go to the 4 hour time frame here now. The 4 hour time frame. What else do we have here? I'm looking for marking out the open right over here, as well as what else do we have. Let's see, we have any ranges. This is range low, so the higher time frame is a range, right? So we're in a bigger range right now. This is range low. This has got a total soup. So after the range low, we want to be buying, right? So to the range high, which is right over here. You can see how we're changing. You can see how we're constantly changing our ranges, right? Which is this is. I mean, you could definitely do this because ranges are not a set thing, right? You have to pick whatever you like, right? Like that's a wrong way to say it, but yeah. Next round look is gonna be this range high as well. So yeah. And you can see there's a normal session profile. So I'm looking for another to continue move to the upside right over here. So London made the low of the day. You can see London made the low of the day right over here, and it's bullish with me as well. Anything else we have here? Oh, else. And the range I'm talking about is not gonna be this range right over here. It's gonna be this specific range because it's the biggest range right over here. So yeah, range low got total soup. Well, so So got total soup daily candle as well, got total soup. So I'm looking to look long here. Okay, so weekly, we're going from weekly CRT to the downside. You can see weekly CRT to the downside, weekly IRL to ERL, but we have the SMT preventing from this sweep to happening. So we're looking for a push up. So we're looking to the counter trend, and our counter trend would be like this, right? We have a SMT holding off this CRT right over here. So SMT, let's call it a pair, right? So we have SMT holding this off, as well as we have a daily CRT. We have a daily classic expansion week profile 1, Tuesday low of the week, and market continue to move to the upside on the week, right? As well as a CRT to the upside, another CRT to the upside as well. We had eventually we have a raised low that got purged. We have a order flow. There can't be any order flow. The order flow is still bearish, but in this case, because market racing through highs, we can see positive reaction through. We're already tapped the high, you can see reaction out of it, right? So the order flow is still relatively bearish for our time frame. It has not tapped the weekly key level, right? So 15-minute time frame. Let's see, 4 hour. So we got. So now let's look at our 4 hour time frame. We have any daily range? We did have this too. We're still in this specific daily range, but do we have any other one here? There's long guys. So the low got soup and the high got soup as well right here, right? See from this low to this high. Yeah, we have no daily range. We have this daily range, but we're bullish in this case, so we're still gonna be buying. Same case, we're gonna buy. Sometimes we're not, right? So today would be makes sense for us to look for a long because it can be a KOD, kiss of death, and trade to the upside here. And we have a daily profile. So what's our daily profile? London low of the day, New York continuation. So I'm looking for near to continue to. I'm looking for a near continuation to the upside. First round look is gonna be over here. And what else do we have here? Is look at soup. The order flow is bearish. And range dynamic, I guess raise look at soup. I said anything else. That's it. And then last thing we're gonna do is look for our CRT here. Would be in the 4 hour time frame. Hourly, I mean. Our CRT would be this candle right over here. As you can see, there's a CRT to the downside, but that to me should not be it because we're looking for a near continuation to the upside right over here. Oops, shit wrong. And as well, we have this fair value gap, so supporting this key level. So for hourly time frame, we have hourly IRL right over here, IRL to ERL. That will make another narrative to it, another fair value gap key level as well. So now let's go to the last thing in market profiles, market open, market eventually open, expand, eventually market range, manipulated expansion, retracement, another expansion here. Eventually, the retracement market could do a deeper retracement right over here, or market go a little bit up here. Eventually, do another reversal to the downside. I mean, you could be like this, right? Tapping a key over here. It did tap a 4 hour rejection block, so that would be a reversal, tapping a key level, retracement, another expansion, tapping another key level. Eventually, from here, another reversal, retracement, expansion, or reversal, expansion, right? Or reversals today to the wrong liquidity, which is right over there. But if it does not, if the wrong liquidity, if the trade RR does not meet this right over here, the RR to this trade right to this goal right over here does not meet a 2 RR, I'm not taking the trade. And as well, we're buying below the 4 hour candle low, 4 hour open high low close, which is fantastic. What time is it right now? So yeah, we got 10 minutes of candle open. So now let's go back and see why. Let's say why we're bullish, right? In the long term, I'm still bearish, right? In long term, on the monthly, I'm still looking for sales, right? On the 3 month, I'm looking for sales still until the short term run look gets met, right? But As of right now, there's going to be short-term drawn liquidity and a long-term drawn liquidity. If you guys see my mastermind, the free mastermind, I'm going to be talking about this short-term drawn liquidity and to the long-term drawn liquidity, right? Straight over here, we have a CRT to the downside on a weekly time frame, weekly IRL to ERL, but there's an SMT preventing. See one candle, that candle over there, preventing that pressure of liquidity. But the long term is still gonna go down there because that's what the market likes to do, right? And what else do we have here? We have a daily CRT to the upside, another daily CRT to the upside, another range low that got pressed. Next round looking range high right over here. Next round looking at the range. Gonna be the next round look is gonna be the CRT high right over there. Of the daily. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm looking for a daily, looking for a net continuation. You can see on this session made the low of the day, here continuation because I'm bullish in this case. I'm looking for it to continue, not to reverse. But the hourly time frame, I don't think anything else here. The order flow is bearish. Market profile is at a reversal profile, is at a currently in a retracement. Eventually, the expansion could happen. What else do we have here? What else? In the premium region, which doesn't really matter because we're biased here, and eventually we're in the KOD stage of all these areas to the upside. Hourly CRT right over here, which is at 7 a.m. instead of the 8 a.m., which is looking like to be a hourly CRT to the upside. So because new continuation right as well, we have hourly IRL to ERL, so another bonus narrative to that. Anything else here? Nope. That's it. We do have this other CRT right over here, but that's gonna be only later on when we meet or when we go around there. If I take a trade right now, I'm gonna have to be holding for a whole week, and I don't want to be doing that shit. Holding a trade for a week or more, it's gonna be way too long. That's it, and let's go back to market profiling. Expansion, accumulation, manipulation, expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion. So eventually expansion, another reversal, retracement, expansion. Okay, so that's what we got. Okay. Okay, that's that. Thank God we broke out of the range chat. Oh my God. Fuck that range. Thank God I didn't take any trades around here, man. Shit. Right over here would have been fine, but this right over here, hey, oh no. Lad. Shout to that shit is on. All right, chat. Just waiting for this bad boy to push back down, tap the ski level, eventually go back up here. This could definitely, if the right when it taps the ski level, I'm not looking for no trade, but it should be a last total before the adjective is met. So we should definitely be having a last total before the adjective goal is met. So we should definitely have a KOD here. If not, okay, it's cool. I don't bottle. I would remember chat Tom it comes before rice. Dun, 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 dun. Should become a rapper chat. I will be cooking. Chat, today is going to be another education video. Today's going to be an interesting one, though. What should I go over today, chat? If you guys got any topics that you guys are struggling with that's around CRT and around what I'm teaching, let me know. Not what I'm teaching. I'm not a teacher, bro. You're not active in your Discord, bro. I am active, brother. I'm always active, bro. I'm always chatting, bro. You don't see me chatting in my Discord. I just started chatting, brother. I mean, not just started. I mean, I've been chatting, bro. I'm talking to my people right now, brother. I always chat, brother. Okay, so candle has opened. The new candle has opened. So our entry is gonna be around the open, high, low, close. So it's gonna be below the low. So it's gonna be below the opening price. Okay, that's very nice. So entry should be below the opening price, which should be very nice. We should definitely get a last total so before entry here. Let's see if there's any news here today. Forest calendar. Let's see. I don't want to be getting stuck into any news here. Okay, there's no news. We're chilling. Da-na-na-na. Chat, who is ready to have 1 million of funding next year, chat? I am, chat, I am. Always remember, chat, if you aim for the stars, you're gonna reach the sky. Right? Always remember, if you set a small goal, you're gonna get small results, right? If you set up a big goal, you're gonna get big results. And funding is not that. It's not that hard, bro. It's all you need is like capital, bro. Just put capital. The risk 2% of challenge account and get funded. Risk 1% from their own end, bro. It's just some of you bum asses can't freaking. You guys managed to skew up your fundings, bro, which is kinda difficult, bro. Which is kinda it's like the thing you shouldn't want to be doing, bro. Should not be skewing up your funding accounts, bro. Like I got so much information that I could talk about like how to not skew it up, like, you know, just by using your mind, just by using your thinking. But if sharing that will not do me good. I mean, it's not even that difficult. All you gotta go to internal. Eventually, you have it internal. Eventually, it can be true external, right? So that's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna go do it deep. I'm not gonna go too deep into it. I'm saying, chat. All I gotta say is ICT really hard to learn because he yaps a lot. Hey, bro, you should watch mine. You should watch my free mastermind CRT bootcamp that I'm hosting on January 1st. The first ever chapter is gonna be on January 1st. Eventually, every 2 days is gonna be a new chapter, right? And it's gonna go over ICT concepts, but only the specific ones, right? It's only the specific ones I'm gonna go over. I'm not gonna go over the new ones, old ones. I'm gonna be going over the ones that are already established and all the ones that actually work in the live market and the one that actually has data. And I already have a fucking, what was that called? I have a PDF explaining all of those concepts to you guys. If you guys, whoever is confusing on what the concepts mean. What's good, my boy Geezweeb? And by the way, check, all the credit goes to my boy ICT. But he makes too much new concepts, right? So that's why it matters for us to go only for the Pacific one. If you go for the new concept and all the concept works, how is the market supposed to manufacture, right? So he's part of the system, bro. There's big players controlling his ass. There's big players controlling him and making him do new concept left and right, which is, and especially he yaps a lot, bro. You're correct, bro. He yaps so fucking much, bro. Cause he in YouTube, right? You guys know how much he gets paid, bro? YouTube alone pays him 5 million, bro. That's crazy, bro. Cause when you watch him for hours on end, and when there's hundreds of thousands of people watching him hours on end, you know how much money he's making, bro? Him yapping in an hour, he's making a lot. And if a person yaps for 10 minutes and there's 100,000 people watching him, he's making a fucking bank. He's making bread out of that shit. Especially ICT, bro. Oh my god, 4-hour lecture, 4-hour yapping, bro. I couldn't comprehend it. I had to still watch it, but I couldn't, bro. I was so pissed, bro. I got fired from my job because of that. When I still had my job there before, when I was learning how to trade, bro, I was tripping, bro. I was constantly just watching. Actually, I would be addicted to his watching him, bro. But eventually, I found out he yapped so much, bro. So literally every time I watch him, I went through straight to the point of what he means. And he would be like, "Oh, you should not be skipping what I'm saying. You should go right back and watch it throughout the whole thing." Where you should, cause you might miss out some words that he might be saying about it, right? But this guy yaps so fucking much, bro. Damn. I mean, I'd be yapping too, but not that much, bro. God. Imagine, chat. Imagine I get monetized and I do a whole mastermind for free, but I yap hours on end, bro. That was crazy, bro. The YouTube revenue be paying his ass hella, bro. God. And you guys, if you go to my Discord, my boy, I can't argue. You can see the little sneak peek of the what's covering on the free mastermind CRT bootcamp. This, by the way, this is basically technical. It's not gonna go over psychology. It's not gonna go over models. It's not gonna go over executions based only on the concepts that are important concepts, right? Because these concepts I'm currently teaching is what drives the market, right? You can see the market profiles is a very important concept. Although it's a very beginning thing, it's still important because guess what's the market doing here? Expanding. What's the market doing here? Accumulating. What's the market doing here? Manipulating. What's the market doing here? Expanding. Retracement. What's the market doing? Expansion. What's the market doing? Reversal. Another retracement. Another expansion. Right, tapping another key level. After tapping it, another reversal, which explains it all in the CRT bootcamp. Free. Let's get my boy Bishu. It's kind of hard to say your name. Bishinas Swati. It's kind of hard to say. My bad, brother. Kind of hard to say that dialect, especially with my cracked ass English, bro. Ooh, cooked. And the concept I'm teaching is not from my. It's not. It's nothing is based out of me, right? But it's based out of the majority of the ones who are actually successful traders, such as Romeo, such as his other students that are very successful, right? They talk about the specific concepts. They talk about advanced order flow, right? They don't talk about the normal order flow where this is right up here. Pushing up of this is a breakup structure. No, they talk about the advanced one, right? Where market is rejecting lows, breaking highs, resisting highs, breaking lows, right? We're in a bearish scenario and a bull scenario, right? So the concept I'm teaching are from the higher people who are actually successful, right? Because I'm successful, but I don't have a really good. I'm not gonna say I'm successful, but I believe in myself. I'm definitely successful in the future, in the long term, right? But right now, the only thing I have is good ROI, right? I get my return on investment is good, right? I have a good return on investment every time, right? So that's still a success if you really think about it. But if you're putting a investment, if you have an ROI, you're profitable, right? So that's the only thing you should really care about. Don't care about the long term. Don't really care about if you had a losses by the back at a time, right? They knew if you fuck. It's kind of hard to say that. Shit, never mind. Fuck that. Fuck that. I was gonna say, bro. It's kind of hard to comprehend that. Explain it. I mean, but yeah, man, just focus on good ROI, Chad. That's all you gotta focus on. Good ROI, good win rate, and a good RR. Everything else, just say fuck you. But yeah, Chad, we're just waiting for this candle to go down here. And my boy, if you're still in a trade, if you're still in a stream, I can't argue, right? This we're gonna be talking about the open high low close concept, open low high close concept as well, which is all based out of all based on ICT, but the specific ones that are very important that drives the market and that gives you the best logical reasoning of why or where the market should be heading to, right? And why is the market doing this because of these specific concepts. I do have other like chapters like talking about intraday probabilities, intraday market probabilities, high probabilities, low probabilities, right? That I'm not going to be talking about. So that's going to take too long, man. It's going to take too long. Yeah, baby. Can I just fuck you, baby? But yeah, chat. If you guys new to the stream, make sure you guys join the Discord. All we gotta do is just play in the waiting game now, man. Gotta be patient. 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 Woo. Shit. Let me search up a topic real quick because I might have a video idea today for a very specific topic I wanna be talking about. 'Cause I see people taking trades on random set at random time, right? And time is very important as well. Time and yeah, good headline, bro. Fuck. A good hook. Oh, I could have just asked this person, bro. Oh my god, bro. Right over here, man. Just doing something here. Oh yeah, I got a title already. Okay, title and the hook is already set. It does give me another banger. It's gonna be about time and why time is perdiente. Pordiente and Pordiente. He's got birds at Pacific time. Alright, Big B. G Big Blood. Damn, I got a bow spot, chat. Oh my god. Nothing could save me. Nothing. Nothing, nothing. Nothing, nothing. Nothing, nothing. Nothing could save my bold ass fucking head, cuz. Chat, I'm going bald today, chat. Today, I'm going bald. I'm getting ready for 2025. I'm gonna strive for 2025 to crush 2025. Going bald today. I'm getting that bald Andrew Tate haircut. Cause I think my hair is dying. That's why. Cause you see, it's kind of dead, bro. So I want to regrow it and make it, you know, sharper. Sharper than before. Sharper than before. I look geeked right now, chat. Turtle soup setting up. Yeah, I see it right over here. I see it. And by the way, I don't care about this 8 a.m. candle getting souped. I care about this candle because this 8 a.m. candle is the inside bar here. So I don't really give a shit about that candle. I care about that. I care about the oh yeah. I don't know. So we're buying below the opening price, which is fantastic. Just give me money. Damn, yeah, I gotta go ball, bro. So y'all chat, you're gonna see the new Andrew Tate, man. The new 2025 Andrew Tate. With a 1 million fundings, man. Race for the stars. Did either reach for the stars or reach the sky? If you aim for the stars, you're gonna reach the sky. If you aim for the sun, you're gonna reach the stars. I'm saying. I deeply believe in myself. Chat, make sure you guys are setting up your 2024. Here we go, man. If you guys don't, I mean 2025. Why am I saying 2024, bro? What the fuck? Fuck, man. Be messing up here's 2 days. We waiting right over here. My money's ready. My $125 per trade is ready. My risk management is ready. My loss is ready. Losses are amenable. I'm at the risk of losing the trade. I'm going to accept the risk that I put on the table. I'm going to focus on the process, not the outcome. And I forgot to read my rules. Let me go read my rules real quick. I literally forgot my rules. I knew I was missing something. I was like, bro, what am I missing? I forgot to read my rules, man. Always allow the candle clip before making any decision. Don't trade the day before high major news, which is NFP, CPI, or PPI, or FOMC. The day before major news are less probability days, right? And I want to take the highest probability day, which the day before major news is not, right? Below time for CRT with 100 CRT, and I don't really gonna care about that. For the 4-hour CRT, use 15-minute Model 1. For the 1-hour CRT, use the 5-minute Model 1. For the Model 1 to be valid, use one of the scenarios must occur: a candle closure below the entire range, wick, and body, or a single candle close above the, oh my god, a single candle close above or below the entire range, including the wicks and the body. A consecutive candle scenarios: a group of consecutive bullish or bearish candles form, then the market close above or below one of the consecutive candles. The market close above or below the bottom of the next candle is scheduled the body as a model number 1. Alternatively, the market close above or below the entire range of the consecutive candle, including the wicks. We use the wick as a model number 1. Entry requires both a key level derived from the 4-hour or daily chart at Pacific time at the 1 to 2 a.m., 3 to 4 a.m., 6 to 7 a.m., 8 to 9 a.m., and 10 to 30 a.m. The only way I'm going to trade before the 9 a.m. candle, 9 a.m. time, is when I'm present of the 4 hour CRT, not hourly, but 4 hour CRT. If either is missing, do not enter the trade. The 4 CRT must show a purge or SMT. Goes on the EURUSD, GBPUSD only for SMT confirmation. What's your bias today, buddy? My bias is bullish, man. Yesterday you were correct, bro. I mean, yeah, yesterday you were very correct. Yesterday I had a setup to the upside as well, brother. I did not forget you, man. Because my bias was meant to be bullish throughout this whole week. I was just confused about this CRT being here, right? So I was like, because this fair value gap right over here is meant to be like a fucking, this fair value gap is like useless, right? Because there's a CRT in the play, right? So our drawn liquidity is overall over here. For our short term, our long term is over here because there's an SMT holding with G, right? But overall, long term, I'm looking to go back down here because this market is making low resistance, run on liquidity where market's not purging nothing, right? So which is great. Where the long term, market will have to purge back down there before going back up, right? Precious higher time frame, avoid trading 1 minute chart unless all conditions are met. Use a stop loss to account for market volatility. Use a wide stop loss. Adjust stop loss by 0.3 to recover spread. On a segment of 3 or 2 RR. Anything avoid setup offering less than 2 RR. After 3 consecutive losses, reduce risk by half. Example: 1% to 55, 250% to 0.35%. After 3 consecutive wins, increase risk back to 1%. 0.35% to 50% to 1%. Funded accounts, live accounts never risk more than 1% per trade. And challenges risk 2% per trade. Depending on whether I center early, I'm patient, I'm confident, free to emotion, not good. I'm not greedy. I'm cold, I'm calm, I'm calculated. I'm focused on the process and the outcome. I stay present. Right now, all that matters. So I'm focused on the process, the outcome. I breathe, observe, and act with clarity. I'm gonna be here and stay here and be calm and relaxed. I'm going to expect not trade every day. I'm expect loss. I accept loss as part of the process. Nothing has a 100% win rate. I'm accept losses as part of the business expense. Accept losses as part of the as it being inevitable. This trade right here, we might if we do take a trade today, it might be in a loss. We never know. I don't care. I will focus on the higher RR and higher probability. I mean, we'll focus on the probabilities rather than trying to say, oh, it has a 100% win rate or whatever, right? I'm gonna focus on building good habits and practicing my skill with profits. I'm gonna accept the risk 1% or losing on every trade. Short-term setbacks or unexpected outcomes are part of the process, not a reflection of strategy effectiveness. Trust the plan or the work behind it. Long-term result comes from staying disciplined and consistent. Let the system do its job. The picture is where success lives, right? I'm gonna make decisions based on my analysis. I don't think positively, avoid FOMO. I'm going to think positively, avoid FOMO. I'm a disciplined self-direction are key. Information, consistency, discipline, by changing custom naturally, firstly, and abundantly, inshallah. I'm going to learn from my errors and refine them. I'm going to be wise. I'm going to learn from everything and everyone. I'm going to learn from my errors and not make the same mistake again. I'm going to use every losses as a lesson, every win as a lesson, every losses and wins as an improvement. I'm going to limit myself to one trade lesson, every break is a lesson. I'm going to take during 8 to 12 p.m. To 12 p.m. New York time. I'm going to avoid trading after 12 p.m. New York time. Right, I'm going to use limit orders or execution orders based on model number 1. Assure all conditions are met before entering the trade. Timing the purge, CRT, price of a key level, scale into the 15-minute or 5-minute chart as the CRT time frame. In this case, we're using the 5-minute chart because we're trading the hourly CRT. The higher or lowest purchase for longer are met when I enter the trade. Focus intensely on the setup during a losing streak. Prioritize securing the first win after the first losing streak. Avoid letting the first loss lead to into further losses. Hold the trades during the ranging markets or the process and hold the trade confidently and during accumulation phases. Do not seek validation from others or care about their opinions. These are just my guidelines for the day, right? My guidelines that I'm supposed to be reading. This is what helps me, know what I'm doing, right? So my other one, my weekly trading focus. This week, my weekly this week my primary goal is to maintain emotional control and higher to check through all my trading rules, focus on the process, and accept loss as a natural part of trading. I will not allow greed to influence my actions or my decisions. Right, the market signals an entry. I will act without hesitation. Avoid attempting to optimize for a better position. I will not use my phone during a trading session. I will to maintain focus, emotional control. Phone only be used to place a trade. Not really perfect. This is not important, but sometimes they are, because sometimes if your head is foggy, right? You might mess up, and when you use your phone, you might lose your emotions, right? So now you look at the market. Now you're not focused, so you might lose your you might lose your you might gain up some emotions, right? Buy that for gap and targets Monday's high. Yeah, I see that, brother. Monday's high is my drawn liquidity, and this range high is my drawn liquidity, brother. I'm only gonna take one trade per session, even if it's a break-even trade. I'm gonna say trade for the session. A break-even trade for the session, of which I've taken multiple trades to reduce likelihood for large losses. On trade before the major news FOMC, NFA, CPI, PPI losses occur way more higher probably trades, and the day before a high probably time. Usually more seeing a bit more entries to enter a or per trade, as well as avoid entering trades over less than 2 RR. To 150% of the CRT TP2 with CRT low, can range CRT low. The 1 hour CRT with CRT, the TP1 with CRT low, 50% of the CRT to final take profit with CRT low, the 4 hour time frame. And today I'm looking to extend my take profit because they look like they're relatively close to each other, right? So it's good for us to go over there. I'm patient, I'm confident, feels emotional, greedy, I'm cold, calm, and calculated. I'm doing trades. Avoid greed at all. I'm gonna avoid greed at all costs. Look at the process of the outcome. I'm trust that the setup will deliver as the intended result. I say this is my trading cost me naturally a person and better inshallah. I'm not treasure every day. I'm set losses part natural part of trading. Because I'm good habits, part of good about profits. Better on business solely managed one as both wins and losses for errors to improvements. Other word think and avoid negative word of scenario think, but make this best a positive outcome. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out, probably their own pace. Do not seek to validate. Do not seek to please or worry about other people's opinions. With your own journey and trading process. Reverse by half every 3 streak. Your example 1%, 0.5%, 2.5%. Elite consecutive wins. Increase risk by 0.25%. So example 0.25% to 5% to 1%, right? Maximum to 1%, maximum nothing above. I would say 1% per trade in live account. Fund accounts use limit or the execution based on one shot timing the price CRT account, CRT alignment, scale allocation, scan out to 15 or 5 minute chart, depending on CRT. Look for old high or old low to be established before enter the model one. Did I enter the style or the style occurs before all cuts are met? Confirm the limit high or low. CRT lacks a higher or low, wait for another purge, ignore any movement before the purge. For model one to be valid, one of the chains must occur kind of close above the entire range of the wick or below, above or below the entire range, wick and body. Single color close above the above or below the entire range, including the wicks and the body. Check consecutive candle scenarios. A group of consecutive bullish or bearish candles formed. The market closes above or below one of the consecutive candles, and the market closes above or below the next consecutive candle body. This clears the bottom of the model one of the alternatively the market closes above or below the entire range of the consecutive candles, including the wicks. Here's the wick of the model one. One of if it's not one of these scenarios, disregard this trade. Let's say following this rule, and that's right over there. I have to just read their notes, right? So I can make it second nature. Chat. I'm here for the long term. I'm gonna make it as a second nature. Let's feel me, chat. Second nature. Blood. We're buying below the opening up and high low close concept, which is very nice. Another narrative to that right over there. Hey, buddy, come here. Say what's good to the stream, chat. Say what's good to the stream. You're a bad boy today. You're gonna be a good boy or a bad boy. Be a good boy or a bad boy today? Gonna be a good boy or a bad boy? Gonna be a good boy or a bad boy? See, you always being a bad boy, man. Stop it, man. Why you a bad boy, huh? What you a bad boy for, huh? Hey, don't drop yourself. Don't drop yourself. Don't drop yourself. Don't drop yourself. Hey, be patient. I'm here. I'm here. I'm gonna save you. I'm your hero. Okay? I'm your hero. You're tired, bro. You gotta go to sleep, bro. If you're tired, you gotta go to sleep. What I'm here for, man? You're tired, man. Go to sleep, man. Let's take you to bed. Let's take you to bed. You wanna go to bed here? Let's go. Let's go sit right over here. That's fucking sped ass cat, man. I hate that cat. Oh, he can hear me. Oh, it's not mine. Yeah, leave my room, man. Leave my room. You're not loyal, bro. You're not tired, man. You just want to get petted, bro. That's not it, man. I don't like that cat, man. What's good, my boy? Ravindu. Ravindu. That's how you say it, Ravindu. How you doing, my boy? Ravindu. My brother. My brother. My G. Yeah. Dude, nice. Yes, sir. Ski. Hey, good Friday, man. Today's Friday, right? Yeah, well, today's a payday as well, man. Shit. Today's the day to get paid, chat. Today's the day to get paid. What's good, my boy? Yo, bro, the guy who helped me, this is the guy who helped me be funded 7 months ago. Greeting to my friend. I'm still funded. Thank you so much. I'll never forget you. But bro, you lying, bro. But that's cool, bro. Thank you for being a wingman, brother. Break even day. Hey, that's still a good day, man. I'd rather be break even than take a loss. How you doing, my boy Juan Carvello? How you doing, man? Long time no see, man. Chat, next year, getting funded with 1 million, man. Who's gonna come with me, man? Who's gonna come with us? We're gonna get funded with 1 million. Who is? I think no. I mean, it's kind of different. It's gonna be some. For some of you guys, it's gonna be hard for you guys because you guys are in a different country. Because you guys not in the U.S., right? So for you guys to buying the challenge is gonna be way more expensive, right? Yeah, that's the problem, bro. Damn. Especially people in India, especially, bro. That luck is hella. That's hella, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, so yo, most of y'all cook, bro. If you guys are in US and you guys are not, yeah, that's why you guys can't go for a high ass goal, because currency is weak over there. If this bitch not range, bro, come on, man. Push. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Na, na, na. TikTok. Right. Three months ago, this guy was crazy trading gold. 1 minute time frame. This why the guy changed with wait, the why this guy changed with discipline is crazy. Yeah, man, it's crazy. I was like, usually during that time I was cooked, bro. Not gonna lie, man. I haven't used a 5 minute chart in like that 1 minute chart in like goddamn God knows how long. 2 months now, and it's been only good since then, bro. I love gold was a G back then, but bro, fuck gold, bro. Like I didn't lose at all, but sometimes. Feels so good to be alive today. I had to renew my whole strategy because I was getting fried, man. Shit. The fucking the unicorn model was ass. Everything was ass back then, bro. Shit. We gotta stop looking at the back, man. I don't look at the back no more. I don't look at the past no more. You know, you guys watched Scarface, right? You guys have any of you guys watched Scarface before? That guy was on another shit. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, back then I was kind of a little, you know what I'm saying? No, so we get more amateur as we get older, right? So I had to lock in for real. Have you guys ever had that quote where actually I got the video of it too. Hold on. This quote right here literally helps me a lot where I don't look at the past. I mean, I don't have nothing wrong with my past, but to me, dwelling on my past will piss me off, man. Because have you guys ever heard being like, staying present, right? Because like you guys heard that like every time they say like, oh, be present, right? Be present, being focused on the future rather than instead of dwelling in the past, right? Because in the past I did horrible stuff, bro. I don't want to be, I don't want to be stuck there, right? But let me show you guys the video right here, right? This is from the Scarface movie. Wait, can we get hear it? Actually, I'll just say it myself. It says that straight away from the movie, by the way. Not me. He says, just remember last year we went to, where we were at. Remember last year this time, fucking gay. He says, remember the last year we were in the cage, right? And guess what? Guess what Tony Montana says? He says, you remember that, and I would like to forget it, right? You see that? That's why you guys gotta be present and future. I don't dwell in the past. But there's no setups here, chat. Oh my god, bro. Literally, the best investment I've ever made was my motherfucker. What we call it, Romeo, bro. But that guy wouldn't teach the right thing, bro. You just teach about me. You just teach about CRT, but wouldn't teach the right thing, bro. God. He just was yapping too. He was worse than bro. He was the same thing as ICT, bro. Cause I know you guys heard Romeo before in the social media before. Cause he's a big guy in social media and trading as well. That guy, bro. I was in his mentorship, bro. Not mentorship. I mean, cause I'm not gonna say. Well, I'm not gonna say that I learned these stuff by myself, bro. That's stupid. That's the stupidest shit I've ever said, then, bro. But I ain't learned this from myself. I learned from other people. I learned from my mentors, brother. But it's just that when they say it, right, it's just that they don't say it correctly, right? So his students or whatever, right, they coin it, right? So that means they refurnish it and make it better, right? So make it improvement. Because when I was in Romeo's stream, I mean not Romeo's thing. When I was in Romeo, when I did my investment on Romeo, he wouldn't talk about the weekly profile. He would just say open, high, low, close, and he was talking about a little bit about the weekly profile, but I want to talk about it, right? So we're not going in depth on it, right? Because he didn't give a shit. So yeah, that's why eventually I had to learn by myself. Then I had to learn some concept by myself, but thanks to that guy helping me with the CRT shit, man. Shit. Right from there on, guys, chat. Right from there on, I have made all the profits I've ever lost on anything from one trade in crypto, bro. One trade in crypto, I made all the profits.